So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Pricelab account. We're going to go through all the steps it's going to ask you and making sure that you have everything set up for your Airbnb and rental properties to get the best pricing. Now, before we fully get started, to land on this starting page here to get your free 30-day trial, you got to make sure you check out our link in the show notes down below, or if you land on this similar page, make sure you use our promo code to get that special offer when using our code. So let me go ahead and clean up this screen here for us, and let's go ahead and talk about some of the different settings here that we got to plug in. We got our first section here, which is our full name, our email address. We're going to go ahead and create a password and then confirm it, as well as putting in any number of listings we have. Of course, this can change as you do either accumulate or take away additional properties. You're going to go ahead and plug in a phone number if you'd like to. It is optional. And then if you want to go ahead and put in your company name, and then here at the bottom again is a referral code if you like to use ours. Now, if everything here looks good, make sure you go through and read the terms and conditions and privacy policy. And if you agree, go ahead and hit that checkbox right over here. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is click on create account here in red once all of this is filled out. So I'm going to fill mine out, and then we're going to show you that next step. And from right over here, it's going to go ahead and ask you to choose your preferred language. It is defaulted to English. So if that is yours, go ahead and now click on save and proceed, or you can click on this down arrow here to go ahead and switch your language. We're going to click on save and proceed. And just like that, we are now already in our brand new Pricelabs account. So let's go ahead and show you how to go ahead and add your listing. You can see right over here at the very top, it's going to set up for a listing with Airbnb, but you could of course also use your booking.com or your Vrbo listing as well. Now, if you needed to, you can also connect via PMS instead. So you can go ahead and click on this button. Any option of these is going to go through that process to get you started to make sure that you can go ahead and get that best pricing when it comes to dynamic pricing with Pricelabs. Now, one other thing to keep in mind, you do get your free 30-day trial. Something to keep in mind going through this process, you do not need to plug in a card, which is always fantastic. But if you want to make sure you get the best value and the best dynamic pricing, you do want to make sure you add a card on file before the end of your 30-day trial if you end up loving what you're seeing. So from here, I just want to show you, if you click on add listings from Airbnb, it's actually going to take you to your full official login for Airbnb. So you can either log in with your phone number or any of your other versions, but this is essentially as if you're going in directly. So what's really nice about that is it will do an instant connection for you. And once you go ahead and fully connect your account, we're going to get dropped into here, which is going to be your dynamic pricing dashboard, which then you can see all of your listings right over here, resume any setups you might still have, as well as check in with your calendar, create any tags, have any minimum and base prices, as well as all the different dynamic setups that you would like. And then also being able to check in your occupancy for a 7, 30, and 60-day night cycle. So that is going to be something you can come in and see everything all at once, especially if you have it connected to multiple different places like booking.com or even Vrbo. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you would like to go ahead and get started with Pricelabs, I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes down below, or you can head over to businessnerd.co/Pricelabs to go ahead and get that free 30-day startup, as well as making sure you can start getting your dynamic pricing on your listings. Now, there's always more to learn when it comes to running your small business, and we got you covered here at The Business Nerd. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.